Okay, we all know the Bitcoin ETFs are massively bullish. No, Larry Fink sees Bitcoin as the flight to safety. And we also know the other ETFs, the volumes, they are stacking Bitcoin like crazy. But what if I were to tell you all the Bitcoin ETFs could be made irrelevant in just a week with a major Bitcoin power play coming out of the Middle East? Yeah, that's right. All the bullish developments just got bullisher. We get a lot to cover. Let's get it.
Party, that party. Come and have a good time with G.O.D.
So let's get to the bullish buzz. What's going on? Well, it's all about two big-time players making big-time plays. Qatar and Saudi Arabia are rumored to be eyeing a gigantic investment into Bitcoin. We're talking a whopping 1 million Bitcoin, worth 500 billion. So for scope, that's like taking the Grand Canyon and filling it full of Federal Reserve cuck bucks. Now we know and we've covered Qatar, but there have been some further developments and they originate from Kaiser and other analysts, and they are suggesting that these two countries are considering buying up, that's right, 1 million Bitcoin. And if we put that into perspective, it's like they're trying to match the holdings of Satoshi Nakamoto, the mysterious creator of Bitcoin. So think about that. This kind of investment would make big shots like Larry Fink and Blackrock, MicroStrategy, well, make them look like they're playing with monopoly money. In comparison, it's got the world of Bitcoin doing some backflips, and Bitcoin's price even did a little dance, shooting past 42K for a bit. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. This is Bitcoin we're talking about. It's like riding a roller coaster with the blindfold on, which sounds pretty awesome. But you know, there's always the chance of hitting the loop-de-loop or taking a dive. You don't know what's coming around every corner. And this would definitely be a curveball. Qatar's sovereign wealth fund's potential dive into Bitcoin could be a game changer. And you know, sometimes it's just wise to expect the unexpected. And we're all along for the ride. It's all about watching the show. And what a show this could be. But all these major developments we've seen, it's not just about money, it's about legitimacy. When sovereign wealth funds are trading Bitcoin like digital gold, that's a game changer. We're talking about Bitcoin stepping out of the shadows into the light, wearing a tuxedo, a top hat, and is ready for the big time. Whether Saudi Arabia makes this play through the sovereign wealth fund or through their proxy Saudi Aramco, no doubt this is going to send shockwaves through the entire financial system. Banks, governments, maybe even entire economies could start rethinking their relationship with Bitcoin and the future of money itself. Bitcoin is throwing a boulder into the financial status quo pond. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. We have a hell of a ride in front of us. The Desert Kingdom might be getting their hands dirty in some Bitcoin mining. Now, we know back in the day that turned out to be a mirage of a story, but it appears Saudi Aramco, titan of the oil world, might be flirting yet again with the idea of joining the Bitcoin bash, ladies and gentlemen, in a major way. Check out some of these numbers. Now, in this Coin Tribune article, they're suggesting Aramco's possibly eyeing that magical tango with Bitcoin. It's like we're watching the heavyweight boxer deciding to take up ballet. It's a little unexpected, but it's highly intriguing. I know one thing, with this going on, we're talking about the complete drainage of all the Bitcoin on exchanges. So what do you think you should do? You need to get your Bitcoin off exchanges into self-custody, and you need to maybe do that with some urgency. You just buy your first Bitcoin, you don't know what to do, how to get it off the exchange and into self-custody, how to secure your precious seed phrase, or do you just want to take your Bitcoin setup to the next level? Well, we got just the guys to get you covered. Simply Bitcoin Originals are powered by the Bitcoin Way, and as your dedicated Bitcoin IT team, the Bitcoin Way is here to guide you from start to finish on your journey to properly self-custody your Bitcoin. What's more, they've recently introduced 100% focused collaborative custody services where you'll benefit from advanced multi-sig security, inheritance planning, and much more while remaining 100% in control. Hey, and if you're looking to get started, you can book a free 30-minute call with the Bitcoin Way using that link below. Guys, Bitcoin's former biggest enemies are stacking Bitcoin. That tells you all you need to know. The game theory is in action in a major way. We got a demand shock meeting a supply shock that will surely create a price shock that will melt the faces of probably all of us. And another thing, bigger numbers bring bigger numbers. And the Bitcoin buyers, from Sailor to Fink, nation states making Bitcoin legal tender. And now we're talking about sovereign wealth funds or major trillion-dollar oil companies. I don't think we're bullish enough. Can't put a number on it. Brace yourselves, ladies and gentlemen. I'll catch you all next time. Peace.
If you prefer to go down with the ship, fuck you.